I am Pippi Longstocking. This is how I'm gonna go.
My name's KIRILL. I'm the writer-director behind Dr. Decibel. We actually wrote this movie and shot it in less than a week. We had a completely different movie lined up for this year's RodeReel. It was going to be an action movie. Big, muscular guy and like this small kung fu master fighting each other. Fortunately, one of them got sick and the other one had another emergency 6 days before we were supposed to shoot. And it was going to be at this location at my friend's villa, but that didn't happen. So in a very tired and delirious and probably drunken state, I wrote Dr. Decibel.
I'm Kane Rodrigues. I'm the sound recordist and sound designer on Dr. Decibel. For this movie, I've chosen the Rode NT-G2 as I have to capture little sounds that are amplified.
The day went really well. Now we're almost at the end of the shoot, but hats off to one guy. Really has been wet the whole day.
I am Robert Tasker. My role is actually quite fun because I get to bring back an old character from the previous RodeReel, which is Lucky Terra Nova.
I'm Rick Cabby. I just finished playing Log, one of the dumbest characters in my career, and let me just say, it's awesome to be smart again. But, you know, sometimes it's good to play dumb and get away with it.
Well, I'm Lewis. I'm the guy that sorts all this equipment, make sure it all works. It was a good day, but now the poor bastard has to sort this mess and put it back into boxes and carry it.
I'm Dr. Decibel, your handy long-range listening pal. I'm Dr. Decibel, your handy long-range listening pal.
That is a picture wrap, everybody.
Woo! All right.